Number 1. Pontiac Bonneville 1963. You are looking a 1963 Pontiac Bonneville convertible project car. This is a roller. No engine or transmission. We have done some floor pan work on it. The body is very solid. I do have some interior seats and panels that go with the car. I feel that my price of $3,500 RED UCEDDO double UNFROM $4,000 is very realistic for a classic vehicle like this one, with the potential that this vehicle has. Look in the description. Number 2. Chevrolet Ford Dr Sedan 1951. 51 Chevrolet 4-door Deluxe. Had been stored inside for the last 30 years. Ran it off of a gas bottle under the hood. No brakes. Has some rust through starting, but not a bad car yet. Odometer shows 50k miles, $3,500. Look in the description. Number 3. Buick Limited 1940. 40 Buick Limited 4-door. Not running. Intake and carbs are missing. Dual side mount fenders, but it is missing the side covers. Fairly straight car. Some lower rust out starting. Trunk floor is rusting out. Very nice project car of a rare model. $3,500. Look in the description. Number 4. Ford Fairlane 1958. This 1958 Ford Fairlane. It has very little rust. The front fenders are very solid. All the trim and moldings are intact. Restore this one or have a lot of very good parts. 332 engine, all there and not stuck, no transmission. Very little rust on the quarter panels, but I have repair panels included for that. This car has been stored inside for the last 35 years. Really just needs to be buffed and polished on the exterior. Look in the description. Number 5. Mercury Monteray 1954. Sat for years in barn V8. Auto had started trans-worked needs. Lots of welding pack, these done lower path panels. Are screwed on bottom for now, okay, into your shipping Avil. Look in the description. Number 6. Triumph Herald 1963. '1963 Triumph Herald convertible 1147C. Inline 4-speed manual transmission. New interior. White top. Radial tires. Fun summer cruiser. $3,900. Look in the description. Number 7. Dodge D 1974. 1974. Dodge D 104 X41/2-ton pickup. Has the 360 V8 engine. Needs a carb kit to run good. Will turn over but sputter and dies. Will need to be winched on a trailer to leave our property. Body has bumps and bruises. Floorboards look nice. Clean title. Asking $4,000. Located in Thief River Falls, MN. Look in the description. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz 208e. 1973. Does not run good for parts. It can be repaired in case of emergency. In good condition and looks great. Not beat up. Look at the pictures and see for yourself. Look in the description. Number 9. Cadillac DeVille 1964. Factory black with white leather. Car is very complete. 429C runs off key and jerry can, not roadworthy. Very well optioned car with power windows, power seat, tilt column, seat belts, rear defrost, auto dimmer hidden in hood trim, mechanical trunk pull-down motor. Frame is solid, bumper ends are solid. Floor is fairly good with exception of driver's front. Will need replacement. Driver's rocker will also need replacement. A few other areas on body will need minor attention. Look in the description. Number 10. Buick Century 1938. 38 Buick Century 4-door. Clear title. Not running. Intake and carburetors are gone. No transmission. Very clean car. Look in the description.